Yeah, nice, huh?
Yes.
Close, huh? Not easy to judge this one too.
Not easy. I want to try something.
Wow.
I will try to guess who won, okay? And
Because you don't know.
no, I don't know. For me, I will have put AL. But now I'm not sure with the end of this round. But I still put AL.
Yeah.
Do you remember the result, you?
Yeah.
Okay, so a little bit biased. Okay.
Spoil.
So I would say
but
just my opinion.
yeah.
For me, it's two rounds very consistent from each of the participants. I found a little drop of energy for the BRONIX second round for the drum and bass part. I feel like the last build-up, he was going to play everything on the last drop, and for me it was less impactful than the other one. So that's why I think he lost this one. But maybe I'm wrong.
It's why I feel when I watch the battle is like I want to say water problem, you know, like with BRONIX. Do you feel that? Like I feel with the last 30 seconds, he just want to drink some water. No, I don't know. I feel I feel the sounds of the beatbox of BRONIX for the last second is not the same.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah, we can see it. It's the sensation I have.
Is it straight from here? Or is it later?
No, after.
Yeah, this one is very nice executed.
It's after. It's okay now? Here.
Ah, yeah, we can feel the dry mouth.
No more energy with the kick.
Yeah.
And like, you see, 30 seconds now.
Ah, yeah, we can feel it.
It's my feeling.
For me, it's where
the quality is.
When I hear the drop of energy, yeah, I agree.
Yeah. After AL, we feel that he's a freestyle, right? To freestyle. So it's crazy how many beatboxers now freestyle, right?
Yeah. I agree, but AL for me, he's from a different school. Like it's freestyle, but always structured. I don't know how to call it, but.
Because first he's really great with rhythmical, with drum. So the drum he has is really amazing and really solid. So he can do many patterns, and really we all loved when the pattern is like this. So the power of AL is how we can play drum.
Yeah, strong rhythmics. Not so many mistakes. Not so many timing mistakes.
No.
And the technique is like very crazy, like
crazy level.
Can you reproduce AL patterns, for example?
No, not all, of course. No, not all. So crazy level. And the what I feel too for BRONIX is like you need to, for me, because he are too serious when he don't beatbox, right? It's like.
Yeah.
Like angry at the same time, like we want to say, hey, chilling is it's family event, like kids are in the crowds, like it's not serious. But with this battle, it's too much serious with BRONIX for the attitude, and AL is more fresh. I think for the judge that it's always better to see.
It brings more empathy to the beatboxer. Who's like chilling. I understand.
I feel that. And
all right. Do you think it has an impact on the judge's decision?
But it's all point.
Yeah,
no, not only one, but all point. And the next point what I write, I take some notes. It was we need with BRONIX more. I think some silence, or something that is. He put a lot of ideas in one round, and maybe too much. My feeling for this battle, like the question I have is maybe too much ideas in one round.
I think, I kind of agree with you. Well, BRONIX is a DJ, so the transitions are very nice, well executed. For example, the first round, if he executed like this, the second one, he will have won. Because there are so many propositions, and in the first one, for me, they are well connected together. The sounds he showed are very original. He showed a nice palette of sound, I would say. The only thing is maybe sometimes if he doesn't perform it perfectly, he I would say he think too much, he overthink about it. So he cannot relax on stage and show that he's relaxed at all.
I feel that.
So,
really. It's why I say some silence or something, like not too much sounds, not too much ideas, differences. We feel like we need a brief, and it's why maybe sometimes the freestyle versus this kind of round can be more attractive, like freestyle now. It's not the problem with because I remember Ozzy versus Epoch, but it was the freestyle of Ozzy was not really, but because AL is really solid and really strong with freestyle ideas, like it's more fresh for me, and BRONIX is not so fresh. So
we can see only the strong points as a freestyler, like how would I say, it hides the weaknesses of the freestyle because he executed well. Like AL, the freestyle is very on point, and as I said, he also succeed to introduce like a nice answer to BRONIX when BRONIX built his round on Ready for the Comeback. I just found like just one sentence, he can put it everywhere he wants.
Exactly.
So I like this flexibility.
And nice
technique.
So the next is gonna be the semi-final. Oh la la.
True.
Nice.
True.
Cool.
Congrats to both of them. BRONIX, always a nice battle to see.
Let's see how the vote is go, because I'm not sure it's 3-0. Maybe it's 3-0, but we will see. We will see. Maybe not. Maybe 2-1.
2-1.
Oh, you see?
All right.
It's 2-1.
Yeah.
So it's interesting how K.I.M. For example, is more.
He still had a better performance,
Yeah, for K.I.M, it's interesting. Like maybe for K.I.M, the freestyle is not enough to go to the semi-final, and he prefer BRONIX with the round.
Yeah.
Even if it's maybe too much and maybe some problem, whatever, but he prefer. Maybe I try to understand, but maybe prefer the structure of BRONIX more than the freestyle of AL. For me, not, but it's interesting, and we can ask to K.I.M why.
Maybe
it's always interesting. I love to ask to the judge why. But you see, sometimes it's interesting. It's the first battle we have 2-1.
Yeah.
So
for K.I.M, maybe he judges a criteria more than us. Like he evaluates, I don't know, for example, maybe the preparation better than us.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, and it's right.
It will be nice.
I mean,
his opinion. But we still almost agree on the same thing. So
yeah, it's for me. It's AL for this battle.
Yeah,
but,
very nice.
2-1. Not easy.
Yeah. Congrats everyone. Congrats AL and BRONIX. That was our last analysis of the quarterfinal. If you want to watch the whole video analysis, still on Lyrebird Beatbox YouTube channel. And if you want to watch the battle replay, it's on our One-Up Beatbox Battle channel. Let us know in the comments if you agree or not, and if not, why. Also, feel free to check Alem YouTube channel for more content. See you on the next analysis. That was Dùj and Alem for
Bye bye everybody. Thank you
for the quarterfinal analysis. Bye bye. See you.
Ciao.